So welcome back. My shirt is really wrinkly and I probably have makeup on it, but that is not what this video is about. If you see behind me, I have a little bit of, well, not a little bit, I have a grocery store. It's not a little bit of a haul, it's a grocery store haul. Don't know what's happening to my voice today. So it's kind of random. I am the worst grocery shopper in America. Like, I would really put money on it. I make lists, but they're not in order. So I'm literally running around the grocery store like a chicken with its head cut off. And then now there's arrows to follow. So it just really takes me a very, very long time. So I have a bunch of stuff over here. It's not like a huge grocery haul because I do have quite a bit here still in the house. So I just have a few like random things. But anyways, I have 2 recipes for you guys today, and that's gonna make up the majority of the video. You guys have been begging for Chef Steph recipes, and I'm very happy. I'm so glad that you guys are loving the food that I love. Like, we're all loving the same things. It's amazing. So today I'm presenting you with a shrimp nacho recipe and also a paloma. So they're very easy. I don't even know if you can call it nachos a recipe because you literally just throw things all together like in a huge heaping mound. I think that's why I like nachos, because there's not really a rocket science to it. Like, you basically just pile things on and call it a day. Slap it on, call it a day. That's just how we do things here. And then a paloma. If you guys have never had a paloma and you are a fan of margaritas, you are missing out. So that is what we're doing today. So here's everything that I got at the store. I know that I wanted to make nachos, and then I grabbed some other things for other random recipes that I could make later in the week, which I don't know. Maybe you'll see them in a future video. I don't know. I already did the video on my linguine and clams. So if you haven't seen that yet, I always like to pick these up because it makes like the quickest dinner ever. So let me just show you guys what I got. So this over here is for the paloma, as is this grapefruit juice. And so is this grapefruit and lime. So this is all for the alcohol. Then we have some tricolor bell peppers. I might make a pasta salad. I might put these in my nachos. I don't know yet. Cucumber. This is a seedless cucumber. It's very skinny and long, and I love cucumbers just as a snack or to, you know, like put in a salad or something. Aluminum foil, Reynolds wrap. Whatever happened to those 2 ladies on the Reynolds wrap commercials? Do you guys remember them? What happened to them? Are they still alive? I hope they're doing well. Garbanzo beans, which again for salad. Then we have some coffee, and this is from Utica Coffee, which is local to where I live. And this is the Utica Buzz flavor, which I have not tried. It says it's ultra caffeinated, full flavored, and full bodied. So that sounds ideal for me. These nails are not ideal. I just literally gave up. Kobe Jack cheese, because I'm a cheese connoisseur. This is not anything fancy though. It's just like, you know, it's cheese. It's cheese. I got some queso for my nachos. I could do the homemade route, but I prefer to be lazy. So I got that. These baby clams. Some zesty. No, this is not zesty. This is Tuscan House. Huh. Okay, so I got this again for salads. I really love the Aldi's 3-cheese vinaigrette, but I hate going to Aldi's. Like, I like Aldi's, but I don't like making an extra stop, and I don't like getting all of my items from Aldi's. You know what I'm saying? Like, some things, no, I don't want it from Aldi's. I don't want that. Like meat, I don't buy meat from Aldi's. So I don't like making multiple stops. So I never get there and get my dressing. So I'm settling for this Kraft Tuscan House in the house. Some Pam. Some chickpea rotini. So I think I have mentioned this before. Yeah, I definitely have. This is like the best fake pasta that I have tried. So it's made out of only chickpeas, I believe. Yeah, one simple ingredient is chickpeas. It's really good. The texture is good. And I believe it's like a lot lower in carbs or like higher in fiber. Let's see. Yeah, it's like 34 grams of carbs and 8 grams of fiber, which I think is, I don't know, maybe like 10 grams lower than regular pasta. So I like that. Always have that in the pantry. Next up we have this creamer, and honestly I've never tried it. I only picked it up because it said new and the packaging was super cute and purple. I have been using the Chobani sweet cream, but they were out of it, so I got this one. Then we got some pico de gallo for my nachos. Again, you can make this yourself if you are ambitious. I am not. Then we have some chunky guacamole. Again, if you're ambitious, go for the gold. I am not. Then we have some Old Bay seasoning, which is the best for seafood. So since we're doing shrimp nachos, I got some Old Bay. I had some in my pantry, but honestly, I don't know. I think I've had it for like 9 years, and I don't know if that means it's bad. I probably should go through those. We got some uncured turkey pepperoni. Tommy does not eat any sort of red meat. He doesn't eat pork, beef, anything like that. So when I buy like pepperoni or sausage, I always have to get turkey. So I got some of that. Some little grape tomatoes. I might make my rigatoni alla vodka soon, so I like to use grape or cherry tomatoes for the sauce. Then for the nachos, again, I got these little salad shrimps. So they're pretty small, but that means like you can like eat them in one bite. And they're already pre-cooked. So basically you just thaw them out and season them and then put them on whatever. And it's so much quicker and faster than, you know, cooking up shrimp. Then lastly, we have some black olives. I love olives. So that's it for groceries. I do have a little bit of a liquor store haul, which if you don't live in New York State, you probably don't. Do you even have liquor stores in other states? I don't even understand how it works. I did live in Maryland for a little while, but in New York, you can't buy wine at the grocery store. Like, you guys are always recommending me wines that they have at Target or like Trader Joe's or something, and we don't have those in our stores in New York because apparently New York sucks as a state. It doesn't allow you to do anything in life. So therefore you have to go to a liquor store. I guess, I mean, you probably have to go to a liquor store to buy tequila in other states, right? I don't know. Let me show you what I got. So first up in here, we have the tequila, obviously, for the Paloma. This is Casamigos. This is probably my favorite tequila. If you guys have another one that you like, let me know. But this is definitely my most repurchased tequila. And then also, okay, so this I never have tried before, but I've been trying to get into rosé, and I have tried ones like Whispering Angel, which I think is like $20 or $25. I want something that's a little bit more affordable. So I believe this was like $13, and oh my goodness, the bottle is adorable. So I don't know how to say it, but it says Cote. Oh, did you see my winged liner through this bottle? Wow, very fun. Hello. Hello. Okay, getting sidetracked. So it's called Cote de Roses. I think that's wrong, but look at this bottle. Like, it's so cute. Like, the bottom of it is literally a rose. Rose, can you get in here and see this? Rose, get in here and see this bottle. It's amazing, stunning. It's very classy and very cute. So I'm hoping it tastes really good. So I'll keep you guys updated on this, but the bottle is 5 stars. And then last but not least, we have this white wine, and I believe I mentioned this in a video last year. It is what I like to call a dupe. Are wine dupes a thing, or did I just make that up? I know that's like a makeup or a fashion term, which means duplicate, if you did not know that. But anyways, this is the, again, I'm gonna butcher it so bad. Sortisel Pinot Grigio Val d'Adige. Oh, and then we got something else. No, I'm not even going there. I'm not even going there. Santi at the bottom though. So I'm pretty sure I pronounced it the exact same way last time I talked about this. But yeah, it's a more affordable Pinot Grigio, and I love Santa Margarita, but it's like $25, and I drink too much wine to be spending that much every time. So this is a good option, doesn't give me a headache, and I really enjoy it. Let's see what the back says. It says, grapes for this Pinot Grigio are grown in Adige Valley. This wine exhibits typical Pinot Grigio characteristics with a floral nose, notes of pear, and a bright, clean, crisp finish. 12.5% alcohol by volume. So that's it for my alcohol haul. Alcohol. You guys, did I just invent a new term? The alcohol. A haul consisting of alcohol. Boom. I'm honestly brilliant. Sometimes I just amaze myself with the things that my brain comes up with. Probably everyone and their mother has thought of that, but let me have my moment. Let me have my moment. But yeah, that's everything that I picked up at the liquor store today. I guess we'll get into making the drink first because that makes everything else so much more fun. And sidebar, if you think I drink too much alcohol, that's fine. You can think that, you can internalize that, keep it to yourself. Put it in your pocket, wash that pair of jeans in that pocket, and then it disintegrates into nothing. Okay, that's what I think about that. So let's put our groceries away and then we'll make the drink. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a shaker full of ice, tequila, grapefruit juice. This is the best grapefruit juice ever. It's just grapefruit juice. That's the only ingredient is grapefruit juice. So there's nothing else in it. And it's way easier than, you know, juicing your own unless you're like into juicing or whatever. Some sort of seltzer. This is the Ruby Red grapefruit. I like the LaCroix or LaCroix. I don't know how to say literally anything. It's weird. Like just like the seltzers that come in a can, or the bubbly ones are good, but I don't like to open a can every time I want to make a drink, so I kind of prefer to just have a bottle like this. Something to go on the rim. I like tahini, or you can use salt. If you like it a little bit sweeter, you will want to add a little bit of agave, or sometimes I just use this little Splenda stevia thing, which just adds a little bit of sweetness, and it's a lot easier than using like simple syrup if you don't have that, or you know, just like regular like coarse ground sugar. This is a lot easier. Also, if you like it spicy, you're gonna want a jalapeno. If you don't like it spicy, you can totally skip that and you can use salt or sugar instead of the tahini. So I'm gonna start by slicing this grapefruit. This is a big ass Ruby Red, and this is pretty much just for a garnish for the glass because I'm not juicing my own. I didn't really mean to get such a giant one, but oh my god, the smell is so good. Oh my god, it looks like a little mermaid shell. How cute. I'm also gonna cut this lemon. So for the tequila, I'm gonna do 2 jiggers, which I guess is like 1.5 ounces of tequila. Then 2 jiggers, I don't like that word, of the grapefruit juice, so equal parts. Then I'm going to squeeze a lime. Please don't make fun of how I'm squeezing this lime. This is not feeling nice on the open wound that I have over here. I'm gonna add 1 little baby squirt of this, like teeny tiny amount. And then I'm gonna do 1 jigger of the seltzer. And then I'm gonna take my lime and just get the rim of the glass. Cute. All right, and then I just sliced up the jalapeno, put 1 little slice on top, and that's it. This grapefruit is so big. Don't get the extra large kind unless you want it up your nose. It just tastes like summer. And if you think you don't like grapefruit juice, you have to try like this grapefruit juice. It's super good. Make sure to get Ruby Red. It's like sweeter, it's better. You could also use blood orange if you don't like grapefruit. I think the blood orange is a little bit more orangey, obviously, and less sour. But I think that the sourness goes really well with the tequila. So I am going to go drink this, and then I will come back and we will get to cooking, or basically just piling everything on top of each other and calling it cooking. So I'm back, and now we're gonna make chips for dinner, which, what's not to love about that? So obviously you want to start with chips, so I'm just using these Mix-It yellow and blue tortilla chips. I just have some parchment paper, and I'm going to distribute the chips. Over here I have my shrimp, so it's all thawed out. I have some olive oil in here, and I'm just going to add in some of the Old Bay. Sprinkle some of these down, and you can like cut these up if you want them like in every single bite, but I don't really care about that. Then I'm gonna add some olives. These are just sliced olives. I forgot I had these in my pantry. Then I'm gonna take the queso, which I, oops, just plopped it over there. I heated this up in the microwave just so it's a little bit thinner, otherwise it's pretty thick. But it's not really drizzling like I would like it to, but this is not the Food Network, so it's fine. Next we add cheese. This is not the cheese that I wanted to use, but I thought I had different cheese in my fridge and I do not, so we're using this Colby Jack. It's fine though. Then we're just gonna add the rest of the chips. And then I'm just gonna do the exact same thing. Do you see these two? Always in my biz. And that's it for the oven toppings. And then everything else we'll add once it comes out. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for like 10 minutes or so. That's all you need at 400 degrees. Okay, so now for the toppings. I'm gonna add the pico. And my grocery store makes a good one, so that's why I don't even bother. Then I'm gonna add some sour cream. Then I'm gonna add a few jalapenos. And these, I like these ones in the jar because they're not like too spicy to eat, so they're called tamed jalapenos. So they still have like the same flavor and everything, but they're not like gonna kill you and ruin your bite of nachos. I don't like these in a margarita though, we'll say that. And then I'm just gonna add a big scoop of guacamole in the middle. So you can dip it in there if you're feeling like some guac, or you can, you know, pass. And that is it. Literally the easiest dinner ever. There's no real cooking involved here, so I don't think you can really mess this up. So I'm about to dive into these nachos. I hope you guys like them. Try them. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys next time. Cheers to you.